My name is Diana, and I was sent this folding hand truck in return for this video. When I saw it online, it looked nice, but when I got it, I was so excited. It's way nicer in person, let me tell you why. Now, it's pretty lightweight, 6.5 pounds, but don't let that fool you. This thing can handle 600 pounds. It is solid. Now, I decided to take this for a spin outside. Now, the bottom does get bigger. You just click these orange tabs here, and it just pulls out very easily. I opened it up without looking at the instructions at all. I love that the handle here telescopes up, and you can either have it go back and forth, or you can lock it in place so it's standing up. Now, I easily was able to move a plant around with this, but I wanted to give it a test with a heavier item, so I put one of my pool robots on here, and wow, it was fun to move that around because I have to take it from the pool to its charging port and just put it on here and wheel it over, and it was so easy to maneuver. Just look at how easy this thing moves around and spins around. This pool cleaner is heavy, and it just takes it like it's nothing. If you want to lock it in place, you have these back wheels that will lock. You just clip these things down like so. Now, it does have 6 wheels, and that's how you're able to maneuver it so easily. Now, there's a hidden compartment on the bottom that allows you to store some elastic ropes. And when it's time to put it away, look at how easy this thing just folds up. You can throw it in your car. You can put it anywhere on your RV, store it in your closet. It's not going to take up a lot of room. I just love this. I'm super impressed by it. Whoever designed this, it is well made. So if you're looking for a great little handy folding cart, definitely check this one out. Like I said, I'm blown away at how great it is. Super compact and strong, and definitely does the job. Check it out.